So you want to create an automation flow. Whenever someone comments on your post, they should get a link in the DM. Let's see how to do that. Let's go to Automations tab, click on New Flow, then click on Instagram and Facebook. Let's search for comment, select Automate Instagram comments. Use template. Perfect. So now we have successfully created a new automation flow, and you can see the starting trigger here is Instagram and Facebook comments. So let's click here. Perfect. Now it is asking you two things. First of all, you need to tell it, which publication, which post it should automate the comments for. So let's select this. Perfect. Now it will show you all of your Instagram ads, posts, Facebook ads, Facebook posts, etc. So let's say I'll go to Instagram posts and I want to automate for this one. Do note that only those posts show here that are published. So what you can do in the scenarios where you want to automate for a post you want to do today is you create this automation flow, and as soon as you publish the content on Instagram, you come here and just select this publication, close this and save, so that you have already set up everything ahead and all you need to do is just select the publication. But in this scenario, let's say we have posted and now we are selecting the publication and setting everything up. All right. Now we have selected the publication. Now let's configure the triggers. Triggers are the comments which will actually, trigger the automation for customers. So let's say we can ask people that, hey, comment link and I'll send you the link in your DM. Comment guide and I will send the link in your DM. Something like that, right? So similar to that, you can just enter any other keyword like that here. So let's say I'll write playlist. I'll send you the playlist in the DM. So this is the section for keywords, right? You can also change it to all comments, but it's better if you choose a specific keyword. All right. Then we have a comment reply limit here. So this limit is there so that, whenever your comments reach 1,000 comments, after that, we will stop replying to the comments, but we will still send the links in the DM. This is done to protect you from Instagram and anything like that. So we are an official Meta Tech partner and officially using the Instagram APIs. But sometimes what happens is when you reply to a lot of comments, Instagram might give you some issue, but this comment reply limit will prevent you from anything like that. So just leave it at 1,000. And if you want to play it even safer, you can, change it to 500 or something like that. Perfect. And now we have this thing called reply in comments. These are basically the comment replies that will go whenever someone will write link. So let's say I comment link, I will get just sent you a message, check your DM, something like that. So we have already written like 10 here. You can also add more comment replies and use AI to write even more. So yeah, now that we are done with this, let's close this. And now this is the message that will go to the customer in their DM. If you have watched our video where we tell you that, hey, there is a limit on Instagram that is called the 24-hour limit. You know that after comment, you can only send a single DM. So don't go and add multiple messages here, like this. You can only send a single message. So just send this. Thanks for comment. Here's your link and send the link. Straightforward, as simple as that. So you can change the text here. You can change the text here. This is the text of the button. So I'll say button text, anything like that, and change the link here. If you don't change this link, spurnow.com will go to the customer. So make sure you change the link here. Then you can simply enable this flow and save it. The next thing you want to do is you need to go to this publication and actually comment on it from a different account. So let's say I'll comment on this from a different account that is not underscore com, right? To test the automation myself. Sometimes what happens is people will, publish an automation flow, but they will not test it and they will get to know about it like hours later that it is not working. So it's best whenever you make any change, whenever you make any automation flow, just test it straight after that, right? So yeah, this is how you can automate comments and send DMs, links in DMs whenever someone comments. We hope you love it.